Okay. So, Kirti, actually, yesterday we discussed about the Java features. There is a 12 features is there, and we gone through that a small what basics of core Java. So there is a what is class and what is object. So that the class can contain what type of variable, types of method, types of what is constructor, types of blocks, right? So that is called, we can call a technical word, we can call as a class. Then that what this is that class, right? So that class is a, you people can check here guys in what technical definition for that class. A class is a blueprint. It can contains types of variable, types of method, types of constructor, and types of block, right? This is the technical definition. So how we can create a class? That syntax I already given yesterday. That is that modifier, class keyword, and class name, right? So this is the way we can create into that Java application. And there is one more. Yeah, I'm going to give into that what we have to call here. Yeah, if people can check here how we can create a class. Can you tell me? Public class. Yes. Yeah, you can take, yeah, anything. Yes. Yeah, I will explain you that. But how we can create a first application, I will explain. Okay. So this is the class. Inside the class, I'm going to creating a main method. This is that main method. Public static void main method. Inside that main method, there is a string is that array, right? This is that string array. Args is that argument. You should be just remember. So how we can remember is nothing but in childhood we can A for apple, B for ball. There is a some what is alphabetical order. There is that some object is there, right? So same as like you people can remember, this is that main method we have to require to inside that class. Every class must and should require to that main method. Okay, what is the purpose of that main method? I will explain you. Okay, and there is a, if I want to print a data, if I want to print a data, then I need to write that system dot out dot println. What is the purpose of that println method? Is nothing but println method. If I want to print any data, then we can use to that what print system.out.println method. You people can check inside that double quotation. I'm going to writing to that welcome to soft learn, right? I'm going to writing like this just you people can remember it guys. What I did here, I'm going to create into that class public class demo, and I'm going to create it. This is that main method guys. How we can create main method means, this is that modifier and static keyword, return type, and method name. This is that method name. Main is that method name. Okay, this is that main method, and this is that string array. This is the string array, and this is that reference variable. I What is that reference variable? I will tell you guys. You are not able to get now. And what is the purpose of that system.out.println is nothing but I want to print this data. I want to require to that some output. If I want to require some output, then we can use to that what guys? What statement? SOPLN. We can call as a star shortcut SOPLN. S for system, O for out, P for println, right? System.out.println. So how it is going to execute in my application, I will show you inside that where guys, inside that Eclipse. Then you can understand after that how it is going to getting to that how it is going to working. I will show you, right? So I'm going to remove into this, right? Yeah. So I'm going to creating one Java application, guys. I'm going to already I created yesterday. Yeah. There is a Java application. There is a project. How we can create that? What guys? Eclipse. How we can install Eclipse? How we can install to that JDK? I will show you. But a small application I'm going to writing to that first application in Java. You people can check. This is that my Eclipse ID. So in that Eclipse ID, I'm going to go to that file, new, and create a project. Create a project. Yeah, file, new, and project. There is a Java project is there, right? What type of application we are going to creating? Java application only, right? Java project. We should be create as a Java project. So what we have to do? I'm going to writing as a that Java application. This is that Java apps. I'm going to write into that project name as a Java apps. I'm going to give in that project name as a Java apps, and you can click onto that finish button, right? See here that Java apps created. Inside that there is a this is that a two folder created. You no need to touch to that JRE system library. What is this? I will explain you. I already shown you there is a JDK. When you are going to developing to that JDK, internally it will become JRE and JDK JVM. It will become, I said you, right? Yeah. So that this is a JRE. So come to that SRC folder. This is that main folder. We can call as a SRC folder. In that we need to create a first of all package. What we have to create packages. We need to create as a package. What is package? I will explain. You just no need to worry, guys. Actually, I will explain each and everything. So this is that package. Sorry. I'm going to creating package name as a com.soft. No need to worry. What is com.soft? I will explain that there is a package concept also is there. I will explain you. Okay. Com.soft, and in that package, I'm going to creating a class, guys. Just now I created that class, right? What is our class name? We can give. Tell me our class name. Demo. Yeah, class name as a demo. You people can check here. There is a class is created. See here, public class demo. I am given only demo, but that automatically it came public and class, right? And I'm going to give into that main method. How I can write that main method? Tell me. Public static void main of string array args argument, open brace and close brace. That's all. Automatically it will become. And we can write to that welcome to soft learner, welcome to Narana technology. You people can check here, guys. I'm going to writing to that system dot out dot println. It will become automatically, guys. No need to worry, right? So this is that double quotation. I'm going to writing to that word, guys. Welcome to soft learn. Yeah, so I'm going to give in this data. So you people can check how I'm going to running this up. Yes, it is that must and should required because of in in real time example what we have to do. There is a you are that studying to that degree, right? Yeah. So that in that degree college there is a multiple branches is there. Yes, that all the branches separate classroom is there or only one class is there for all the branches? Separate classroom is there or only one room is there? Separate class is there, right? All the branch. Yeah, same as like this is that class. This is the class. It is our this is that class should be available in a single room is nothing but as a this is the package. Com.soft is that package. In that there is a demo class. Then come to that your point of view. There is a what guys college is there inside the college some what guys you are belongs to someone branch, right, department, and the department can contain to that separate class. separate classroom is there. Then that separate class, when you are going to assigning to that separate class, that other student not able to come and sit in that class, right? So same as like we are going to creating to that one package, and we are going to creating to that class name, right? So what I'm going to doing here, I'm going to running this application. This is that application done. This is that my first application completed. What should I to do? I'm not able to compiling because of that. This is that ID. This is that Eclipse ID, right? So that Eclipse ID automatically compiled my Java application. If I write to that any syntactical or grammatical mistake, that what guys, that Eclipse ID can be identified automatically, right? So there is any, see here, I'm going to missing to that semicolon here. Automatically there is a error, it came. Yes or no? This is that error. After semicolon, yes, every line we should be end with that semicolon. Okay. No. This is that method. This is that method. This is the statement. Okay, println statement. Right. This is that open braces and close braces. This is that method. This is that open flower braces and close braces. This is that class. Okay. If you write to that multiple, I will show that everything. I will explain how it is going to executing each and everything. How it is going to compiling. Who are going to compile this application? Who are going to executing this application? Each and everything I will tell you. Okay. So first of all, what I am going to do, I'm going to running this application. Right click onto that this application and go to that run as. There is a Java application. You can click on that. See here, there is output came. Welcome to soft learn. Right. So what is the purpose of that SOPLN statement? You people get right? Yeah. See here, I'm going to writing to that one more SOPLN statement. Inside that SOPLN statement, I'm going to give into that word guys. Welcome to Narayana Technology. Narayana Tech. Sorry. Yeah. If you want to require to that separate line, then you can use to that SOPLN statement. Okay. Yeah. See here, I'm going to running this application. Then to output it came. Welcome to Softland. Welcome to Narayana Technology. Right. If you want to write any welcome to, I'm going to writing one more text here. The text is that welcome to Hyderabad. I'm going to writing welcome to Hyderabad. Right. So I'm going to writing some dummy. This is that just text I'm going to writing here. So what is the purpose of that SOPLN statement? That is I'm going to understanding to you. See here, there is a three output it's came. Right. This is that console we can call as a console. Right. This is that how we can write that. This is the Java application. Yeah, this is that one application. It's completed. This is that simple or hard, guys. Tell me. Simple. We can write to that a class name. This is that we can call as a main method. You should be remember it. Main method we should be remember. What is that? If you are missing to that any one thing here, you people can check. And inside that class, if you are missing to that public, no problem. It will be compiled. No problem. It will be compiled. It will be executed. No problem. That is that optional, right? See here. See here. But if you are removing to that class, it is that mandatory. Class is that mandatory. If you are remove it, it will be throwing to that error. See here, there is error. It's here. Syntax error, right? We should be give to that a class name, class keyword, and you should be must and should require to that class name. If you are removing to that class name, it will be throw that compile time error, right? Yeah, so this is that mandatory. That public is that optional. That is that what guys modifier. But internally that modifier it will be added compiler. How it is going to add that compiler? I will tell you. Okay. and inside that main method, what we have to do, if we are removing to that public, you people can check, this is that act as a what guys, main method only, and it will be, but it is not able to run our application. It is a normal method, it is act as a normal method, it is not a main method, because of there is a syntax is there, what is that syntax? Modifier is required, static keyword is required, void return type is required, and main method is required. You people can check here guys, there is a, it's if I remove to that public, it's not able to come that you people can check run, and there is a run configuration, it's not able to come as a run application, Java application. So you people can add it to that public, and you can run this application, it will become as a what guys, there is a Java application. It is automatically identify where is my that JVM will be identify who will going to executing that this class is nothing but JVM will be executed, that JVM will be checked where is my main method, it will be checking to that that syntax is correct, that what is main method is correct or not, it will be checked, but there is a no main method, but it is considered as a normal method, that is the reason it's not able to executed, right? So what I am going to doing here, I am going to doing to that executing this application, that output came what we are expecting, right? So this is that first application. This is that first application. So what you have to do, you should be remember how we can create a class and how we can create a main method. This is that main what guys, main inside that class. Main is a method, and that SOPN statement you can write anything guys, you can write your college name, your parents name, whatever what you have to require, you can write inside that double quotation only. If you write that, you people can check here, if you write without double quotation, if you write your name or college name, it will become as a word guys. I'm going to write into that again Hyderabad, you people can check. Yeah, it will become as a compile time error. There is a red mark, it came, right? Yeah, this is that error. Who are going to identify this error? Compiler. Yeah, what is compiler? I will tell you, no problem. Okay, so that automatically it came. But how we can resolve? Because of that SOPLN statement should be followed by what guys? Double quotation. You people can check here. I'm going to following to that double quotation. We part to the text. See here, my compile time it's gone. Sorry. Yeah, it, yeah. See here, that outputs came. Yeah, so guys, this is that your first application. You should be remember that class, how we can create a class and how to create a main method, and how to write to that SOPLN statement. This is that SOPLN statement, right? System dot out dot println, right? What is system? What is out? What is println? I will explain you. What is, you already know, what is class, you know, what is demo, you know, only two words you know, right? Yeah, keyword, and a class is a keyword, demo is the class name, you already know that. So yeah, so guys, what we have to do, you should be, first of all, you go to that in your laptop, how we can install to, you should be install to that. If you want to develop this kind of application, you should require to that word guys, JDK software you have to require, and word guys, there is a Eclipse is required. But yeah, what is the purpose of JDK? What is the purpose of that Eclipse? JDK is a software guys, if I want to develop a application, there is a JDK software is required, right? So that software is, we should be installed in our local machine. After that, if I want to develop a application, there is a ID we have to require, that is what guys, Eclipse ID. We can call as it, this is that Eclipse ID. How we can download that Eclipse? You people can check here. Go to that browser. Go to that browser, and you people can check download download Java or JDK. You people can check. There is a JDK 17. You can check. There is a what guys? Java versions is the Java version. So actually, it can be supported 0.12. That updated version is that 23. Java version latest version is that 23. But I am going to downloading to that Java 17 only because of nowadays industry using to that above Java 8, below Java 7, it's not able to use into that word guys. Industry, that is the reason we are going to downloading to that Java 17 or 20, 21, 22, no problem. Okay. You people can check here guys. There is a Java downloads. It will become as a this is that link and you should be registered with that Oracle. That Java acquiring by to that Oracle guys now, Oracle company now, right? So yeah, there is a download. It will become. Yeah, you people can check here guys. Your system you should be check with. Yeah, you should be check with your system. Your system is that Linux, Mac OS or Windows. I think your system is that OS Windows, right? You should be click onto that Windows and you should be download to that what guys JDK. This is that this is that link. You can click onto that JDK. Sorry. Yeah, installer. You should be click onto that installer, right? You can install this first, second one or third one, no problem, right? You can click onto that this link. Then it will be go to ask to that Oracle register. Yeah, it is that already downloaded. It is going to download, right? So when you are going to down, yeah, I will share you that link. Yeah, I shared that link, but you may not be directly installed because downloaded because of you should be registered with that Oracle. It will be asking to that Oracle registration how to require. Can you click onto that? Can you click onto that link if you are available into the desktop? Okay. Can you click on that link? Bluetooth mode. Yeah, there is there is a option is there. I think you can check. Sorry, it is downloaded. Okay. What it is asking? Can okay. Yeah, sir, it is downloaded. Yeah, it is downloaded, right? So once it is downloaded, yeah, you can check my screen now. Yeah, it will become. There is a download folder is there. It will be show. There is a Java. Where is my Java? Yeah. Yeah, it is not completed. I think it is that gone. ఎందుకు పొరుడుతున్నావు అట్లా? తిన్నదా మమ్మీ? ఆ? అన్నం. ఆ? అన్నం.